Okay guys, recently one of you have asked me that he is working on a process building and coordinator plant, and there definitely he have to use some bundle load, and he is asking how to apply this bundle load on stat. Though I have already replied to him, but I think it will be beneficial to others viewers also if I talk about bundle pull out load, right? So before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and also don't forget to join the channel. So let's start. At the very first, if you have clear conception about the bundle pull out scenario, then definitely it's very easy for you how to apply the load. So let's discuss what is this term bundle known as. So in any process structure, whether it is oil and gas refinery or any converter shop, so that involves a lot of heat exchange. That means you put some fluid for refining, right? So it goes through different process. Definitely it due to this process it becomes heated, and then you put it some another process, and in that case this heated fluid is not permitted. So before transferring to or starting another process, what you have to do, you have to cool it down. So for cool down, what you have to do, just you let's say this was process 1. So after process 1 it has become heated. So now you put this heated liquid or fluid to this heat exchanger. Why this is heat exchanger? It's simply a drum, a cylindrical drum, right? So in this cylindrical drum both the ends are sealed, and you put this heated fluid or oil to this cylindrical drum. This is also known as shell, right? So once this is within this shell, what will happen? It will exchange its heat with the cool liquid that is already within this tube, right? So you have put your heated oil to the shell, and it will pass through this chamber and it will be out, and when it is out it is already cooled down. And who has taken this heat? The fluid that is within this tube. Here you can see there are many numbers of tube, and this is the inflow cool down liquid, or you can say this is cooler liquid. So this is the inside flow of cooler liquid, and once it has taken the heat from your heated fluid, this is the outflow of cooling liquid, right? So this is the basic process, and in this process what is the function of you, or as a structural engineer, what is your function? You have to make sure that whenever these all these tubes are taken out from the shell, the structure is stable. Now the question is, why you have to take out these tubes? This is the tubes it actually looks like, right? So you know that for maintenance purpose basically. So within this cell the liquid is interacting with these tubes. This is the tubes, right? So adjacent to this tube, this is the heated fluid, and it is interacting or exchanging its heat within the inside cooler. So as a result, what happened, in this periphery of this tube there is become a layer, right? So what you need to do, on a regular basis you have to clear out this outer layer or scale, whatever you can say. So to clear this or to maintain this, or sometime maybe that your tube has been damaged, somewhere it has been leaked, right? So in that case you have to change this. So for all of this purpose, what you have to do, you have to simply pull out this whole bundle from the cell and again replace with a new one or a rectified one. That's the process. So when you pull out this huge tube bundle, definitely a horizontal force will be exerted on your structure. So let's say this is your structure, and this was the supporting beam, and this was the let's say bundle within the heat exchanger. Now what you are doing, you simply park your vehicle here, and then with your equipment you are trying to pull out this whole tube bundle. So definitely a horizontal load will try to distort your structure. So for that, what you have to do, in your structure, whenever you are designing this, you have to apply some horizontal load like this. Now what is the magnitude of this load and where exactly this load should be applied? Yes, as per PIP standard 1015, it is clearly mentioned that the bundle pull load shall be applied at the center of the bundle, right? And also it is mentioned what should be the magnitude of this load and nature of this load. A horizontal load that I have already discussed. So here in the center you have to apply this horizontal load, right? And what is the magnitude of this horizontal load? The code is saying that, or the standard is saying that times 1.0 times the weight of the removable tube bundle. So you have to calculate, the vendor already provide you what is the weight of this tube only, not the shell. So you have two part, this is the cell and within this cell there is the tube, right? So you have to calculate what is the weight of this tube, then you have to apply the same amount of weight but in horizontal direction, but it should not be less than 9 kilonewton, right? Hope this video will help you in your design endeavor. So thanks for watching.